Alright, y'all. Merry Christmas. Um, I'm going to be doing a very big pack opening for you guys. I'm going to be doing 80 something packs. I'm going to be doing a lot of pro packs, Team of the Week packs with a topper, 4 game day packs with a topper, an Ultimate Freeze, what is this? Achievement pack. I actually kind of want to check out what the achievement pack is. I think the achievement pack is a snowball pack, right? Yeah, it's a snowball pack. Alright, so we got 6 huddle packs, 5 icicle packs, 5 Madden gift packs, so maybe I can get an elite and a lot of presents. Alright, boys, select all. And let's go ahead and get started with the pack opening. Now, I'm going to do 10 minutes each cuz actually no, I'll put it into one video. Why not? So what are we going to get in our first pro pack? Nope, nothing. All right, next one. Can we pull in the lead? Nope. Come on, boys. Make sure you guys smack the like button on this video. Share it with your friends. Can we pull in the lead on our first pro packs, man? Come on, man. You gotta give me that luck. They also have a 99 Bo Jackson out. I might want to get him as well. If I could get him. Ooh, TJ Watt. Come on, man. No elites so far. You know what I'm saying, man? We gotta get those elites. We gotta get some paint. We gotta get some paint, bro. I'm pretty sure the Team of the Week packs are going to be pretty lit. And then plus the topper. I forgot. Oh! There we go. Our first elite of the pack opening, man. Josh Klein. Let's go, man. Can we pull another one? Come on, man. Come on, man. Can we pull another one? We still got a lot of packs to go, man. My bench is going to be full of players that I won't know what to do with it. I know that for sure, man. I might do a large quick sale opening. I don't know what I'm going to do. So far, no elite, no red paint just yet. You know what I'm saying, man? I gotta get some fire, man. I only got that Josh Klein. By the way, Merry Christmas to y'all. Hope y'all got some good gifts. Get some good presents on Madden. You know, good Gucci stuff. Ooh, we got a 73 overall Ogard. I'll probably put him in my lineup. I don't know, man. I keep getting 70s, man. Where's that hotness at? Ooh, a 79 overall kicker. I might take a look at him. Ooh, a 79 overall Eric Armstead. I don't know, man. I'm trying to boost up my defense with like some really good, you know, plays. I don't know how many pro packs I bought at the start of the video. I did buy a little bit of more pro packs because I wanted this video to be, long, and, just went straight into it. No elites so far, man. Only one elite out of these pro packs. I'm actually kind of little, yeah, I'm kind of, yeah. Come on, man. Where's that fire at? Where's that fire? I gotta see some flames. Madden Mobile ain't giving me flames, dog. Oh, yeah. By the way, my face cam, my freaking phone died. Not this one, but it's another phone. It died, so it died as soon as I pressed record, and then I deleted that recording. But don't worry, I didn't open any packs whatsoever. I did get more packs off camera, so I just want to do a little bit extra for Christmas, y'all. All right, man. Oh no. No elites so far. But I know those Team of the Week packs, man. They're going to give me some luck. They're going to give me something, man. They're going to give me something. Alright. So now we're down to the Team of the Week packs. We had 50 pro packs. Now the 8 Team of the Week packs plus a topper, man. Can we get something good? Can we get something fire? Oh. Ooh. Oh, man. Alright. Let me see if one of these cards are shaking, man. One of them's got to be shaking bacon. No one's a shaking. Who's the update team? Oh, Alex Boone. Alright, man. Come on. Third Team of the Week pack. Come on, man. Can we get something good? Did they take off elites from this thing? I remember the rate to get elites were like really, really high. I don't know, man. They just... It's like this game don't want to give me no more elites. Oh, there we go. Is that an 83? Preston Smith. He's an 8 overall until... When? Oh, January 1st. So all these players are up to January 1st. We got another Preston Smith. Oh, holy moly. Okay. I'm getting another lead in the pack. Can I sniff it out? Nope. Ah, well. That was a good... Alright, so now the Team of the Week topper, man. I think that's 7 roster collectibles. That's pretty good. I'll probably add that. Alright. Now, I don't know if this is fire, man. I've opened this so many times. I never knew what I got from it. Oh, yeah. A tournament ticket and stamina. And a bunch of players. I know the huddle packs are going to be lit. Oh, look at that boy shaking right there. Look at my boy shaking right there on the left. Look at him shake. Look at him wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. All right, do I see any more fire, man? I don't think so. Oh, we got a Denver Broncos stat. All right. If this card is good, man. 90! Ooh, we pulled a 90 overall Antonio Brown. Let's get it. Oh my God. Holy hell no. Let's go, boy. Here I was sitting and thinking, what if I'm not going to get any elite from these packs? Okay. The game day topper. I don't know what this is. 100 stamina. I'm going to have a lot of stamina. Dang, bro. Alright, now the Super Pro packs. These are basically like premium packs, but a little bit better, I would say. I don't know, bro. I never get elites from this thing. I only bought 4 of them. Just because. I wonder how much that Antonio Brown is selling for. Alright, now the huddle packs. Alright, the huddle packs are lit. They're fire, man. Oh. Yeah, you get tokens for. Did I just see my boy Wiggle? Hold on. Wiggle for me. Oh, update team. Who's the update team? Come on, man. These packs are supposed to be lit. Litty. Oh. There's my boy Mitchell Trubisky, man. Ooh, I told you, man. I told you one of these would be lit. Alright. I think this is our 5th pack right here. I'm not sure. I think this is our last one right here. Alright, now the icicle pack. I forgot what you get out of these, man, but we'll check and see. I forgot what you get in these. I think you get like 1 Ultimate Freeze player, 1 Madden merch, like a couple snowflakes or something like that. Can we pull an elite, man? I don't know. I haven't seen anybody pull an elite out of these and like, oof. Yeah. Alright, so now the present packs. Well, these are not the present packs per se, but these will give me a gold or better present pack, man. Alright, can we pull some fire? Can we pull a little bit of lit? Come on. I want to see some fire, man. Come on, man. Ooh, a Rob Havenstein elite. Alright, so now here are my presents. I don't know how this is going to work. It says 0 out of 1 item. Oh, I get to choose which one I want. Of course I'm going to want the stamina. I don't want training points. Not right now, bro. Not like, bro. Okay. Oh, I get to choose one or the other. Okay, that's cool. On to the next one. I'm gonna go with the snowflake. Y'all might think I'm crazy. You know how much Madden Cash neutralizer, bro? Like, no. And plus the neutralizers, they go from 85 to 90 and then to 95. Like, well, some players are 85 and 90s, but it's just not my cup of tea, man. Alright, we're halfway there. Alright. So now we get a snowball at the end of this pack opening. I've been getting a lot of snowflakes. That's kind of good. Kind of good. Alright, man. We're 14 minutes in. Can we pull some fire, man? Alright, my battery be doing pretty good right now. 56%. That's good, man. I'm probably going to sell those elites Jay Ajayi. I forgot. What overall are these players? I think Jay Ajayi is a 85, correct? A 85. I'm gonna take the locker room item this time. I think now we're moving into like the more litty stuff. I'll take the silver. Yeah, I'll take the silver. I'll take the snowflake. 50 stamina or, yeah, 50. I'll take a gold player. Why not? I already got so much stamina. Definitely take the snowflake. Yeah, snowflake again. Oh, I thought I could get 2 of these. It's either snowflake, snowflake, or snowflake. I'll take the snowflake, please. Nothing fired just yet, man. I don't know when the fire's gonna hit me. I'll take this. Oh, I get my choice at a coach. I'll take that. I'll take that. Hell yeah. Another snowball. We're already half through these packs, man. It's looking pretty lit, but you know. Whoa, what is this? I'll get the snowflake. The power cells I could easily get. Easily, dude. My choice had a coach. I'll take that. Hell yeah. Alright. I will take a snowflake. I could get another snowball. A piece of coal. Yo, I got it. I got it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. I got the coal. I think it does something. I don't know what it does. We're about to take a look at the sets, boys. I'm so hyped for coal. I don't know why. I saw like an elite player that you can get from the coal. I don't know what you can get, bro. I don't know. Ooh, that's a good trade, bro. I actually like that. When do we get to the hot stuff, man? 1,000 coins? Like, duh. Who wouldn't pick 1,000 coins, bruh? I think this is where the more litty stuff is coming in. I don't know, bros. Ooh. I'm gonna get a lot of snowballs today because I'll Merry Christmas today. Whoa, 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 whoa. So now I think this is where the 2 stuff comes in. Yep. Okay, I see you. Okay. We're already 19 minutes into this video. This is gonna be a long upload. But hey, I'm hyped to bring it to you guys. You know what I'm saying, man? I woke up. I tried to wake up early, you know, on Christmas Day. I didn't, man. It's already gonna be like 12 something. I'll take a coin. I'll take a quick sell on a snowflake. When do we get into the litty stuff, man? I don't want no snowflakes. If you guys want, you could skip the video. Oh. I'll take a helmet and a snowflake. Heck yeah. I don't know when we're gonna get into the more litty stuff, but I'm pretty sure it'll be soon. Oh. A coach and a snowflake, definitely. I'll take a locker room and a snowflake, please. Snowflake, snowflake, of course. 30 packs left. $1,000 coins. And I'll take the 50 stamina, why not? $1,000 coins and a snowflake. I'll take the 2 stamina, why not? I'll take that. Alright, we got 23 presents left. And I've grinded up so much. 1,000 coins, as always. We're already at 10,000 coins. Whoa. 1,000, please. $1,000 I think these are just gonna be like really like. I'll take 50 stamina. Why not? The reason why I don't go for these neutralizers is that they don't have a price on them. I don't get it. I really don't get it. What the heck? Oh yeah, spin the. That's gonna be like a random token wheel. I don't want to do that. That's just stupid. Oh, I get to choose 2 items. I'll choose the 2-point balance. I'll take a scanner. All right, boys, come on, man. Where are my elites at? I'll take a gold locker room item. Why not? Oh, that was 5 snowflakes right there. I'm taking the snowflakes. Another piece of coal? I'll take 10 snowflakes. I think this is where the more litty stuff comes in. I'm taking that top 100 right there, man. I'll take that snowball for free. Oh, my choice of elite locker room item. I'll take that. I'll take that. Okay, they're starting to light up the packs. 25,000 with that. Yeah. 2 locker room items. I'm going to have a bunch of locker room items. What? Ultimate freeze. What is that? I have to check the man. Oh my god! I am getting that game plan. Last pack. Oh! What? I can sell him? Oh my god! Oh my god! You? No. We got a Team of the Week player pack. Another Team of the Week player pack. Oh! I can't sell this one. No! I'll put him on my lineup. Power Line player pack. I got another present pack. How many present packs do I get? Alright, hold on, you guys. Alright. I'm back, y'all. Oh my god, dude, the last 5 presents, yo, they were lit. I want to check out what was that Cam Newton, though. I'm getting more presents. I'm choosing my choice of a coach. Here we go with the present pack. Snowflake. Yeah, I want the snowflake. Oh my god, they're still coming, man. Look at this. Give me that large present, man. Oh. The helmet. I keep getting more and more. Alright. Yeah. That's it. Oh my god. Alright. So now we're going to check out the sets real quick, man, because I pulled a lot of good stuff right now. Okay. There was something with the coal. Yeah. What is this? Naughty List player pack. What? Oh, which one do I take? I'll take a safety. Why not? You know, I'll take a safety. Looking at the next one. Wow, that's actually a really good set. Alright, on to the merch. Alright, we get another gold. What are these sets? Hold up, y'all. Hold up, y'all. I know what to get. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. 5 golden players. Oh, I need one more. 3 of each. And then I'll take the gold present. Large present. Let's go and open it. $10 snowflakes. I'll take that. Gold Ultimate Freeze game plan. I have enough for it too. Run plus short pass. Check that out. What else is here? Oh, the snowballs. I got a bunch of snowballs. I don't know what to do with them. I only got 11 of them. The presents still keep on coming, dude. I'll take a snowball. Anyway, 100 stamina. Oh, that was a stacked wheel. Alright, I I'll take a medium present. $1,000 coins. Yeah. $50. How much do I get? 2? Heck, I'll go with the medium present. Hell yeah. The packs still keep on coming. 50 stamina. Locker room item.
Get out of the way. When I go get Monica.
Alright. Hold on, you guys. No. Damn it, you, Noe Gates. You'd be a good girl. Yeah, to you too. Merry Christmas. You have to go spend time with your family. No. All right, boys. Okay. We get another. I kind of want to don't get these players. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna keep these players, man. Four power line players. All right, boys. I don't really need those players. So we get another gold present pack. Oh my lord. We get a snowball reward pack. I will take another snowball. Can I do the set again? No, I can't. I know I'm going to be upgrading my coach a lot, man. And I don't think I have enough for an elite exchange. No, I don't. See you guys later.